What if we can mix a topical hair loss treatment with different ingredients that can be tailored to each individual patient to be effective for you? Well, we can, and that's what is referred to as a compounded medical hair loss treatment. Now, according to the FDA, drug compounding is often regarded as the process of combining, mixing, or altering ingredients to create a medication tailored to the needs of an individual patient. That's according to the FDA. Now, while drug compounding is not necessarily FDA approved, the ingredients which are included in that hair loss treatment compound may be FDA approved. For instance, a lot of the topical treatments include minoxidil, and topical minoxidil is an FDA approved medication. Finasteride, while that's FDA approved orally, it still can be effective for use as a topical medication as well. And there's other ingredients in hair loss such as dutasteride, latanoprost, caffeine. So these ingredients can all be combined into a base which can be delivered to your scalp and be beneficial for you. It's created and manufactured by an accredited compounding pharmacy, and it's prescribed by your physician to that pharmacy. So compounded topical medical treatments can be a very effective way to treat your hair loss.